Unveiling the Layers. The meaning of cakeboard in English. Hello, dear learners and enthusiasts of the English language. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might confuse some, yet it's quite simple and common in certain contexts. We're exploring the term cakeboard. Whether you're a budding baker, planning a party, or just curious about English vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unpack the layers of meaning behind cakeboard. When we hear the term cakeboard, what comes to mind is a kitchen or baking setting. Literally, a cakeboard is a flat surface on which cakes are placed for decoration and stabilization. It is often made of cardboard, plastic, or wood and is designed to support the weight of the cake. Cakeboards can be found in various sizes and shapes to match the dimensions of the cake being created or displayed. The phrase, cakeboard, might be used in different scenarios. For example, in a baking tutorial, you might hear instructions like, place your first layer of cake on the cakeboard before you start frosting. In a party planning context, you could come across a statement such as, we need to select a cakeboard that matches the wedding theme. It is also a common term in baking supply stores or online shops where one might ask, do you sell cake boards for a 3-tiered cake? While cakeboard predominantly belongs to the culinary world, it's important to remember that in English, phrases can sometimes have figurative meanings. However, in the case of cakeboard, such figurative usage is rare and not widely recognized. It maintains its straightforward meaning tied closely to baking and cake presentation. And there you have it, a slice of knowledge about the phrase, cakeboard. I hope this explanation helps clarify any confusion and adds a new term to your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and remember, every word or phrase is a stepping stone to greater fluency. Until our next lesson, keep learning and enjoy the sweet journey of language education. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more English language tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.